Welcome to this UO Alumni Association member portal tutorial video. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can renew your annual membership in the UOAA and set up for autopay so you never have to remember to renew again. So if you have not logged in already, you'll want to go to uoaa.uoalumni.com/login. Once you're on your member compass, and if you see that your membership has expired, you'll click Renew Now. From here, you'll want to select an individual annual membership, provide any missing information on your key info screen, as well as any additional rate discount information. You'll click Save and Continue. And then you'll need to select credit or debit as your payment method. You'll provide your payment method information. You'll want to select Save Card for future payments, and then select Autopay Future Membership Renewals and complete checkout. At the end, you'll receive a payment success screen, and you will receive a sales receipt to your email on file. That's it. Thank you so much for being members, and go Ducks.